Have you ever wondered how the sun's activity can impact life on Earth? The sun, our very own star, is crucial to our existence. It's not just a bright spot in the sky, but a complex celestial body with a life of its own. It goes through cycles of activity with periods of relative calm followed by times of intense action. During these active times, the sun can produce phenomena like solar flares and sunspots. These are not just spectacular to observe, but can also have significant effects right here on Earth. Solar flares, for instance, can affect our planet's climate, leading to changes in weather patterns. They can also impact our technology, interfering with satellite communication and power grids. Sunspots, on the other hand, are dark patches on the sun's surface that can give us clues about the sun's internal processes. They are like windows into the heart of our star. Now, wouldn't it be fascinating to delve deeper into the science behind the sun's activity cycle? The sun isn't just any ordinary star, it has its own rhythm, a cycle that lasts approximately 11 years. This cycle, often referred to as the solar cycle, is like a cosmic pendulum swinging between periods of high and low activity. At one end of the swing, we have the solar minimum, a time when the sun is relatively quiet. Sunspots, which are areas of intense magnetic activity, are rare during this phase. But as the cycle progresses, these sunspots grow in number, marking the journey toward the solar maximum. The solar maximum is the peak of the cycle and is characterized by an increase in solar flares and solar wind. These solar flares are sudden, intense explosions that release vast amounts of energy. The solar wind, on the other hand, is a stream of charged particles that the sun continuously emits. With these cycles, the sun is not just a glowing orb in the sky, but a dynamic and ever-changing celestial body. As we speak, our sun is reawakening, entering a new cycle of activity. This grand cosmic event is heralded by an increase in sunspots, dark patches that are a hotbed of magnetic activity. Alongside this, we see a rise in solar flares, dramatic eruptions that release an astounding amount of energy. These signs of reawakening are not just celestial spectacles, they have tangible impacts on our home, Earth. A new solar cycle can nudge our climate, subtly altering weather patterns. It also has the potential to disrupt technology. For instance, powerful solar flares can cause geomagnetic storms, which in turn can play havoc with our power grids, satellite communications, and navigation systems. It's a stark reminder of our deep connection with the cosmos. As we understand more about these cycles, we can better prepare for the effects of the sun's reawakening. The sun's reawakening is a reminder of our cosmic connection and our reliance on this mighty star. It is our lighthouse in the vast expanse of the cosmos, a constant beacon guiding life on Earth. Our studies of the sun and its cycles are not mere academic pursuits, but crucial undertakings that help us understand Earth's climate and protect our technology. The sun's intricate dance of magnetic fields and solar flares can disrupt our satellites, impact our power grids, and even influence our weather. By studying these cycles, we can better anticipate and mitigate these effects. Ongoing research and future explorations are planned to further unravel the sun's mysteries. We are at the cusp of a new era of solar science, a quest fueled by our curiosity, our need for survival, and our longing for connection with the universe. As we gaze at the sun, we are not just looking at a star, but a cosmic powerhouse that influences our lives in ways we are still beginning to understand.